Hello everyone, myself Lalit Kumar Chauhan, and today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, and that is prompt engineering. In this video, I'll be talking about the importance of prompt engineering, the introduction of it, the guidelines we use in it, the iterative approach of prompt engineering, and the importance of summarizing. First, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art of writing prompts and getting a particular type of response from a large language model. Now, to do that, first we have to understand that we have to fine tune that large language model to our needs. And how can we do that? We can do that by following the guidelines of prompt engineering, which includes first principle, that is to write a clear and concise prompt to get a particular result, and the second one, to give the large language model time to think. Now, in this first principle, we get some tactics that we can use, like the use of different delimiters to specify what are the instructions, to specify what is the input text, like using triple backticks, triple backtrack brackets, and something like that. And other than that, we can also ask it to give us a particular type of output, like give us a JSON file or HTML file and stuff like that. And also use a particular thing that is called few shot tactic, and that is to give it a example output, and based on that, it can write out the next sentence that we need. Now, the second principle have some tactics also, like asking it to give the response in a particular steps that we need, or asking it to give a response in a summarized way, in a formatted way, and stuff like that. Now, a large language model can produce any type of substance that we want it to, but it can also give out something that doesn't really exist, and that is what we call the limitation of prompt engineering, the limitation of a large language model, which is that it hallucinates sometimes and gives out a particular type of answer that is not even asked for. The third thing we have to understand is that prompt engineering is a iterative approach. Like, prompt engineering is nothing, not something that we can just write a prompt and the large language model just gives a response that is tailored to our needs. That can't happen from the first go. So what we need to understand that we have an idea and we write a prompt for that idea, and we get a particular output, and then we analyze that output according to the error prompt, and we then repeat the whole cycle. We have to write more prompts, we have to iterate to get the tailored needed response that we want. Now, like everybody else, I have used ChatGPT, like and other LLMs, to summarize a particular text into a smaller one so that I can actually read it and go and give a particular exam, and that we can use in prompt engineering also. Like we can ask it to give a to summarize in particular steps, when is summarized in a particular amount of words, summarized in the characters, or we can ask it to extract a specific information from that large data. That is all good for today, and it is a really big opportunity for me, and